Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a quick video. I posted on my Instagram my hair. As you can tell, it's not straightened. Um, I've been going through a lot of changes lately. Short hair, no nails. I'm getting my nails back on at the end of the month. In case you guys are wondering, I just needed them to breathe a bit, so I took a month break for no nails. But the reason why I'm here is because I want to tell you guys what I've been using on my hair that is heat tool free to get the beach wave look for the month of August. Usually the month of August every year I kind of take a break from heating tools. Curling irons, flat irons, blow dryers. I really do minimalize the use of them in that month just because it's really hot out in Toronto as it is. It gets humid, and just added heat when you're blow drying or using hot tools, it just makes it even more hot. So I tried to kind of avoid using those tools for that month just until it starts to cool down a bit. And, you know, I've got to figure out how the hell to manage my hair in the meantime. Luckily, I do have it cut short. So this is like really easy to manage because I will come out of the shower after it's washed, towel dry very well, get rid of the excess water that is in my hair. Brush through with a wet brush. Those are my favorite brushes. And you can either let it air dry on its own with no product, or you can add product to it depending on how manageable your hair is. Some people don't even need any product and they can just let it air dry and it's naturally wavy. Let me just say, you know, good for you if you're one of those people, but I ain't like that. So I have 3 top products that I use in the month of August for a no heat beach wavy look, and I'm gonna show you, you know, you can use them separate, you can use them together, you can use 2 out of the 3. It's all up to you on how you have to kind of basically test it out with your hair and see how it works for you. So my natural hair is kind of like a wave curl slash deal. I can let it air naturally and it'll be somewhat wavy, but not perfect wavy that I like, that I prefer, I should say. So after I towel dry, brush through, what I like to do is I like to use a beach spray. And you can use any beach spray. I actually picked up 2 beach sprays at Sephora. They're a little more higher end in the $20 range. I'm gonna test them out. I'll let you know how they are. However, the one that I truly love is from Sally's, and it's under $12. This is the Beyond the Zone Beach Head Surf Shake for Bodacious Waves. This is the sea salt texturizing spray. So this is the wet version. This is the one you use on wet hair. There's one for dry hair that you could also use, and I do have that one. It's in an aerosol can. It's in my bathroom, but I'm not going to go grab it. So you can use either one or you can use both. It's totally up to you. I prefer the wet one. As soon as my hair is you know, towel dried, it's a little damp, I add this in it. It kind of just brings my hair with waves to life. It's kind of really cool. Yes, it does have sulfate in it. It's a sea salt spray. It's gonna have to have salt in it. So it can be a little drying when you're using sea salt spray. You know, all I can tell you is make sure you shampoo and condition as usual. Maybe do a deep repair mask every week and you should be fine. For me, it doesn't really damage much my hair because I continue conditioning and masking my hair, you know, when I, you know, shower and all that. So once I rinse my hair thoroughly, towel dry, brush through, I add the sea salt spray, and I kind of give it a moment to just kind of set into the hair. Now, I go based on, what's the word? Consistency of the product, what goes in when. So, you know, it's kind of like your skin. You apply the thinnest formula on your skin first because that will soak up way better than if you were to put, you know, an oil base down and then try to add a serum or a toner, that kind of thing. So same idea with your hair. So this is a very watery, I don't know if you can hear, it's a very watery consistency. This is the first thing I add to my hair. Now, the middle step I sometimes do, I don't always do. It's totally up to you on what you guys want. Try it out, see if it works. Sometimes I like to go in with a mousse, a curling mousse. This is the Tresemme one. Again, under $5 at Walmart. Very, very inexpensive. This is the Flawless Curls. So if I want, instead of a beach wave, if I want more of a curl, I will add this into my mix, my cocktail, my hair cocktail. So I'll go in first with this, then I'll apply a very good amount of this all throughout the hair, from the roots all the way down to the ends. That way it'll give that body that I want it to. Now, you know, sometimes I leave this step out because it depends on how curly I really want my hair. I did not use this when I did this look here. This is a basic beach wave type of deal, and this is actually like 3-day hair. I went to the gym. It's still, you know, in decent shape type of deal. So as you can tell, it's very piecey. So this will make it more curly. Without it, it's more piecey, beachy, wave-esque type of look. It all depends on what my mood is, guys. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I want it really curly. Sometimes I want just simple beachy waves. You know, something simple. So this is optional. It's totally up to you. So I do have this in my you know, rotation. And then my last step is a more higher end product from Sephora. This is from IGK. This is the Rich Kid Coconut Oil Gel. You could use this alone, on its own, or in conjunction with these products. This is by far my favorite product, my favorite hair product of all time. It is simple, easy to use, easy on the go. Just, you know, wash your hair, towel dry, and you can skip the other 2 steps and just add this, and it'll still give you a really simple beach wave without the crunch. That's what I would say. Once you incorporate a mousse, you might get more of a crunch, but when you use this and you use this on its own, like either together or separate, you don't get a crunchy feeling in your hair. It's more of a natural feel. So, I mean, totally up to you guys. You guys have to make that decision, but I do love this. This is by far my top favorite hair product in a long time. It's been a long time that I've had a really, really favorite hair product. I loved it so much so that I bought 2. I leave one here at home, and I use one at home, and I have one at my boyfriend's house, and I use that one there. That one I'm actually running out of at his house, so I do have to go back to Sephora and pick it up. It's about $30. You know what? I think it's worth it. You don't need a lot, especially now that I have short hair. I don't need to use a lot, so this does last me a little bit longer. But let me tell you, this is fantastic. It does not leave your hair feeling greasy, doesn't leave your hair feeling crunchy. It pieces your hair very nicely and naturally, that it looks like it's your natural hair type. So I have nothing bad to say about this. I've heard other people really impressed with this as well, which doesn't surprise me because when I tried it, I was just a big, big fan. I always have been since I've tried it. So these are my top 3 no heat products that I use for my beachy-esque curly wavy hair. You don't need to really break the bank with it, you guys. If you don't want to splurge on the $30 product, then I would say go with the 2 drugstore products. Go with a mousse that you prefer. You could have an extra hold or you could have a lighter hold. It's up to you. And then the beach spray by from Sally's. That's under $12. Under $12. I think this is under $5. Depending on where you get it, it could be around under $8, but still. More affordable option. If you want to splurge, definitely go for this one. If you'd rather get only one product, you know, I know some people can't budget all 3, and that's totally fine. If you'd rather choose one product and you're okay with spending a little extra money on just one product, I suggest just getting this one, because this will do everything you need it to without being crunchy, and it'll make your hair look wavy just like in the picture. So yeah, if you're on a budget, go for the other two. If you just want to choose one, but you want it to really be something really good, I would go with this one. Or if you really want to treat yourself, go for all three, because let me tell you, this has been my go-to all August long. And I probably will not stop using these throughout the entire year. It'll be I call it my lazy routine when it comes to my hair, because sometimes I don't want to sit there and blow dry and then flat iron. You know, sometimes I just want to get out of the shower, put my hair up in a bun, and just be done with it and relax. And this is what does it for me, because it keeps my hair looking, decent. And I have a bit of curl to it, so it kind of shows a bit of a style. And yeah, like now that I have my hair cut short because I have layers in it, it looks like it's got a lot more body because of the layers. But that's my go-to, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you like these kind of, tips and tricks, no heat hair products type of deal. I don't really pay too much attention to my hair as I do my skin, but I have to say, now that I have shorter hair, it's easier to manage products that I can use in the style, because my hair is so short now. So let me know down below if you guys liked this. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you haven't already, go and enter my giveaway. I will link it in the cards above. And thank you guys so much for joining. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.